How can I not record? Wait, keep going.
That's awesome.
Did you get it?
No, well, pick a new one.
Oh, I can't focus.
Now we've heard no. Now we've heard endo. Now we've heard endo.
Remember when we were talking about the car earlier?
Now we've heard no. Now we've heard endo. Now we've heard endo. Now
Really?
we've heard endo.
Say it slowly.
Now we've. Now we've.
No.
Leave. Now leave.
No.
No.
Yeah. Semi.
Sort of.
Neil.
No.
No.
A little bit more.
No leave.
No, too far.
No.
Well, is your bathroom in there?
Yeah.
No leave.
Yeah. Now the last part.
No leave.
No.
No leave.
Nelly?
Nelly.
Space.
Effort.
No.
Nelly effort. No leave. Furt.
Leave Nelly alone. And then the next, Nelly Furtado.
Ugh.
I guess you don't like that game.
So frustrating. Okay. How did I not get that?
I don't know. I was like, oh god.
Make a name for yourself. Make a name for yourself. Make a name.
What's that sound
Make
like?
a name. Make a name. Is that one word? Make a name?
That's 3 words.
Make him. Make a name for yourself.
I get that. Okay, just listen to what he says. Don't look at the answer, but tell me if you can get it. Okay, say it.
Make a name for yourself.
Do you get what it says?
What?
Make a name for yourself.
Yeah.
How do you not get that?
Let's
Wow.
see the answer and make sure I'm right. Oh yeah.
What?
Wow.
Well,
You suck at this game.
I want to play the next one.
Make a name for yourself.
Oh my god. I guess it could, okay, don't look at the words and just say it.
Make a name for yourself.
Oh my god.
You say it like this.
Make a name for yourself.
For yourself.
Okay, so you made it. Make a name for yourself.
Now say it like that.
Make a name for yourself.
Do you get it now?
Make a name for yourself.
I want to do the next one.
Let me see the answer.
I don't know if I can.
Do you see it?
Oh yes. What is it?
Jackie Chan.
Oh,
Jackie Chan.
see, she's pro at it. You suck.
Do another one.
Oh. Test the
Are you
food.
doubting my abilities? I probably won't get this one.
Amber wants to do supper
I can't.
at Jungle Jams.
Dawn needs tan ding
Okay.
cup.
Yeah.
That's not a good one. But
I guess you can go ahead.
Dawn needs tan ting hup.
Whoa.
Ding hup.
no, that does not sound anything.
Give me a hint. Dawn needs tan ding hup.
Oh.
That sounded something.
Dawn needs tanning up.
Yeah.
Don't eat standing up. Shit.